William Petro. Welcome to the first edition of This Is Not a in a Box. Today we've got a fire suppression system. It's an SPA fire suppression system. We're going to open this box, show you what is inside. I didn't pre-game this. I have no idea what's in this box. So we're going to figure it out together. Just to give you an idea of which model this is, yeah, it's a 4-nozzle, 4-liter SPA steel mechanical fire system. It is 2018 FIA compliant, and it is a complete kit. This is a kit that is being pushed by Lemons, amongst other groups, but this is basically the whole kit that most people are buying. It's also what's suggested on the Lemons website for 24 hours of lemons, not lemons that you eat and makes you pucker. Got your mechanical fire pull cable there. You've got second one, probably for exterior enabling. You've got some sweet foam. You've got a hard line here. It's what is it? It's Eaton Simflex. It's like a rubberized metal coated line. Proper metal mounting brackets. As always, you mount your fire extinguishers in good metal brackets. Always. Another piece of foam. We love that, right? Some cardboard. Nozzles and junctions. Like I said before, this is a 4-nozzle spray system. So this is your 4 nozzles there in red and a couple of junctions. You've got 2 T's. You've got a junction or a merge, and another piece. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but that's probably what screws directly into the fire extinguisher itself. Probably some directions in there as well, and some sweet stickers, including the correct sticker. You can see the circle in the background. Of course, you can't see the other one. I'll cut into that in a moment. Some weird other metal possible reinforcement brackets for the bottle, I would assume, to sort of hold the bottle, each corner of the bottle. Let me open these. Staples are flying. All right, so you got 2 of these guys. You can see they're somewhat contoured like that. Put this out of the way. So I think they go something like that. Probably a little something like that, right? Yeah, that's gonna stand. Yeah, and then boom, you put your fire bottle in it. There's your fire bottle. There's a 4-liter system right there. And then all the way on the bottom, you got some more foamy foams and more of the Simflex stuff. This stuff is super easy to bend, but you don't want to overbend it. You don't want it to break or crack, but there's quite a decent distance of length here. So that's pretty much it for now. Just be sure to subscribe, like, and share our videos. We're going to be doing a lot more of these going forward. Again, my name is William Petro. This is Broken Motorsports and Bleeding Tarmac. Not a in a box.